YouTube channel. Today we have a home here in Beverly Hills. It's nested right between Trousdale and the world famous Bird Street, where all the mansions that you see on TV, all the modern homes are listed. So this one is listed for $8,995,000. It is 4 bedroom and 6 bath, but this home is so sexy. It has 2 master suites and along with 2 other junior suites. It has a rooftop deck. I mean, you have to come check it out. Let's go take a look. So the whole home is just, there's a lot of indoor, outdoor living. And I'm always afraid to fall in here. Like, I just feel like one day it's gonna happen. I have to like concentrate very, very hard when we're going through this area. And so this is the main living room. And the kitchen. But I'm gonna guess if you're living in this house, you're not doing that much cooking. I don't know. Call me crazy.
Probably not.
I mean, can you imagine doing dishes in this sink? It's not that kind of sink, you know? It's definitely a party house. And here is a little wine room. And you could really show off your wine collection right here. And I guess like while your friends are eating, you can just like sit here and chill and have a glass of wine. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. That's weird. And so here is the outdoor living space. You know, when there's like little patches of grass and my dog sees it, she will literally like pee on it. And I'm like, no, yeah, it's like for decoration. I guess dogs don't know. And so this area is the jacuzzi. And then there's this outdoor space here and you can watch a movie while you're in the jacuzzi. So that's really beautiful. And this is one of the master suites. And if you're just really quiet, you could hear the waterfall and it's really tranquil. And it's just beautiful because, you know, in California, we have beautiful weather all year round. So you can leave all the windows open and it's really open and airy. It's a great place to take a bath.
It sure is.
So we have rainfall shower up there.
It's huge.
It is. It is really huge. So it's really great because the master bedroom is on the first floor, but there is also a second master bedroom, which is amazing.
Lovely stairs.
I know. They did such a beautiful job with this house. Yeah. And I love the location. So here we have a guest room. And this guest room looks out into the street. So it's right above the garage actually. Then you have views of this outdoor area. And then of course you have this nice plush bed that you can chill. You can enjoy the outdoor space. You can have some friends sitting on these chairs. I'm just kidding. And I like how the sink is like part of the bedroom.
I love that design.
Yeah?
Oh.
It's just the house is very sexy. And the bathroom, if you want to take a look, Jason.
Oh, nice view in the bathroom.
Yeah. It is really tranquil. We'll come back to this bedroom. So this is really beautiful. I love that the second floor has this like space where it's like part of the house, but it's the second floor. So there's a lot of like areas to hang out in, and it's another space where you can watch TV. We have a beautiful view of the pool.
Nice. I love the sound.
Okay, Jason, if you could throw a pool party here, you can invite 3 people. Who would the 3 people be? It could be
3 people.
famous, anybody you want.
Producer Michael.
Oh, okay.
And I'll
Producer
make him jump
Michael?
into the pool for me.
Yeah. Okay, producer Michael, he's gonna jump in the pool. Who's the second person you would invite?
Probably an artist or some sort. Maybe like Kygo, because
Kygo,
there's some
okay.
tropical house music going on in this house.
Okay.
So I would, invite
Who's
them.
the third famous person you would invite?
Why not Jake Paul?
Jake Paul, okay. Jake Paul, you
Go
are
crazy with
invited. You like Jake Paul? I think his girlfriend Tana is so beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, I get it. She's all plastic surgeryed out, but I really love that look. So, here we have another guest room. So, Jake Paul, I'm guessing this is gonna be your room,
Nice.
and more outdoor space out here. And then soon I'm gonna show you guys the second master. Now, this second master, I love the bathroom. It is like one of my most favorite bathrooms I've seen on the market.
We'll see.
Yeah, it is beautiful. It's just, they did such a good job. And I love that, they put this because it adds more lighting to the house. And it's just a lot of very natural lighting. You can hear the waterfall. I mean, you're going to get some really good sleep in this house.
Very open.
So here is my favorite bathroom of all time. Dual shower, dual sink. Now this tub, it is indoors technically because there is doors right here.
And there's a screen here.
Yeah. And so you can open this up and then have a bath outdoors, or you can close it and be indoors. Then you have all this space again, and then you're all this is also facing the front of the house again. And toilet.
Oh my, it's automatic.
It is automatic.
Wow.
And this is the master closet.
It's very nice.
Alright, so we're gonna go to the top floor, and this top floor is great for entertaining.
It's a rooftop, right?
It is a rooftop.
I see.
But like I said, in LA, we have good weather all year round, so you want tons of outdoor space.
Yep.
So this is a beautiful area where you can suntan, relax.
Very nice.
Up here we have a barbecue grill. There's even, you can put a keg in here and have beer. It overlooks the pool again. And again, there's just tons of places to entertain. And so this is definitely going to be a good spot to hang out, enjoy, hang out with your friends, and just enjoy the Beverly Hills, Hollywood Hills lifestyle.
Yeah, and that view is awesome. You can see the Beverly Hills.
Yeah, you can.
See.
It is really, it's so iconic here, and definitely if you live up here, it is very respectable. You're like, oh, I live above Sunset, and
it's on a hill, so
people love saying that. So anyways, we just wanted to thank you, Jason, for doing an amazing job.
You're welcome.
He did such an amazing job. And if you have any questions about this home or any other homes, please contact me at www.caroline.choi.group.com, and we can either show you this home or any other homes. And some people were saying like, oh, I'm looking for a house but not in like the $10 million range, but we can help you too. We always say luxury is not a price point, but it's the service we provide. So if you're looking for condos or other priced homes, we can definitely assist you with that. And these videos are for you guys. So if there's anything that you want to see more of, less of, like, please leave it down in the comments down below. We don't know what you want until you say it, you know, so please let me and Jason know what you guys want. We want to produce the best videos for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying these home tours. If you have any questions, please get in contact with me, and thank you so much for watching today. We love you, and don't forget to subscribe and like.
Right.
Bye.